May mga taong hindi mo kadugo, pero sila yung totoong nagpapa-feel sa'yo na safe ka. I'm a psychologist at quick reflection lang. Hindi sila required mahalin ka. At minsan, sila pa yung mas safe kaysa sa totoo mong pamilya. At ito yung chosen family mo. It's when your emotional needs, yung safety, acceptance, pagiging attuned, no, are met by people you voluntarily let inside your life. At sabi sa attachment theory, we bond with those who make us feel seen, tapos understood, not just with those we are related to sa dugo, no? Kaya minsan, yung family mo is the one that shows up. Ito yung nakikinig, ito yung nagsistay at nag-hold ng space doon sa pinakatotoong ikaw. Blood makes you related, choice makes you family. Kayo, tag mo yung kaibigan mo na pinili mo at pinili ka din.